And just like that, folks,
Yeah.
we're off to Mima's house.
Then we can see Clifford later.
See Clifford later?
Yeah.
I don't really know if we're gonna see Clifford later. We saw him a few weeks ago, but I think that's a yearly thing.
And give him a high five and everything.
Yep, high five and everything. That's what we doing. So it's Wednesday, July 8th, 2015. Right?
Right.
And we are just simply headed to Mima's house.
And you see Gabe. Gabe is there.
Yep,
Gabe is at Mima.
Gabe's at Mima's. So that's what we doing. That's what we do. Oh, green light. You gotta catch it. Hurry. Hurry. After we yelled to this guy right here. Because he's got the right of way. This lady has the right of way, but she has no idea what to do. So, yeah. So I'm kind of testing this video footage of this video camera. This is a Hero4 Black edition. And yeah, it's my new video camera. So it records high def, 4K, and 1080p. So that's what I'm trying to do here, seeing how this footage is going to look. So we're out for a morning stroll in the car, headed to Mima's house to drop him off. And then I'm off to go to my 9 to 5, working for the man. That's what I call it. Actually, it's a pretty good job, really. But it's not what I want to do for the rest of my life. Is work really anything anybody wants to do for the rest of their life? No. But it's got to be done. And you got to like what you do. That's the most important part. You have to like what you do. And cue the more you know. So, anyway, that's that. What else you got to say? Yeah? Yep. Yeah, so you're obsessed with this. It's July 8th, so July 4th was recently, obviously. There's a big panda out there, but you cannot see it no mo because they put them up. You're a huge fan of that panda. It's a big inflatable panda. And the reason why I say your is because this is for your future self. This is going to go on your YouTube channel. So anyway, it's 2015 and I'm just checking out some new cameras that came out. I think this camera actually came out in like 2014 maybe. I'll show you what it looks like. I'll show you what this camera looks like. I'm looking at the footage on my phone. My phone is my what's that word I'm looking for? It's my monitor. Yeah, a monitor. Let's see what it looks like. So that's what the, if you can see that. No, I don't know. Is that how you're going to be able to see it? I don't know. I don't know. Shoot. Maybe that wasn't right. But anyway, this is the drive to Mima's. You got the wonderful Sonic McDonald's, and we're coming up on 5 minutes and 45 seconds of this video, so I've got to start cutting it down because this is going to make for a long video, long editing, not long editing, long export. So that's the scoop on this July 8th, 2015 day. All right, man, you want to say something to yourself?
We're gonna go out Mima's, then Mima's Cove, and we're also gonna go.
Oh yeah, just in case you don't want to do the math, you are 3 years old. You turn 3 at the end of March 30th, of course. Hopefully you know your birthday. So you're almost, so you're 3 years, 3 months, and 23 days old. So you're almost 3 years and 4 months old. So anyway, that's how old you are in this video. Alright, I'm going to come to a close so I can make this turn here. And this video is, holy cow, 7 minutes long. Alright, love you, buddy.